Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about EESEE Airdrop. Double EC. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I surely know how to get it. So let's get into it. So this is the airdrop I'm talking about. This project is quite interesting and they are trying to make the NFTs gamified and also affordable for all the people out there, and we will see how they are doing so. And this is the only project I have ever seen in crypto space till now which has increased the amount of rewards for the users as the users grew. So this is quite positive step and they might increase the reward even further in future. So just be positive about getting more rewards. And if we look out for their partners, then you would be surprised to know that they have some good names out here, like Polygon Chain is supporting them, the ApeCoin is there, Chainlink is there. All the big names are there in their partnership, so they are building something interesting, and let's explore how interesting it is. And also they have increased the rewards from $200,000 to $500,000, almost 500,000 rewards, and all the necessary links will be provided in the description. And this is a closed testnet airdrop, which means that only the whitelisted addresses or the addresses which join using the invite codes will be eligible for the airdrop. So not everyone will be eligible for the airdrop. And I will be providing the invite code in the description. You can join using it. Just open the link in the description and you will reach over here. After that, connect your wallet. It is quite easy and we will be using MetaMask for it, and Ethereum Goerli will be the network. So you would be able to add it quite easily as soon as you connect your MetaMask over here. After that, you have to complete some tasks, and in the first step you would be requiring to give the invite code in order to begin in the first place. And after that you would be able to see this screen. Now you will be able to find all these trending NFTs over here. These are quite famous NFTs like the Bored Ape or Azuki, and all these they would probably cost more than 50 Ethereum if you are going to purchase them from market. But this project is building a platform where people can grab the famous NFTs at cheaper rates. So what these people are doing is that they will take a fraction of amount like $5 or $10 from each and every user who wants to grab that particular or get that particular NFT, like Bored Ape one, and the person who is selling this particular NFT will get all these small amount from all these people, and collectively it will accumulate to the amount of Bored Ape. But all these people contributing these small amounts will get lucky, and only one person, the lucky person, will be able to get that NFT. So this is more like speculation and gambling, but still if someone gets lucky with just $10 and be able to grab an NFT worth 50 Ethereum, then that's great. So after you see this particular platform, just simply click on this option of add funds at the bottom. And over here you need to connect your Twitter to it. Make sure that your Twitter account is older than 1 month, and just simply click on this option of in your profile. It is clickable option, and as soon as you click on it, you will be able to connect your Twitter account with it. And after that, you also need to complete this particular option of repost our tweet. So you basically have to repost one of the tweets by this project, and you would be able to tick all these boxes. And after that, we can claim these testnet tokens. And they are currently working on Goerli and also Polygon Chain. And for Polygon, there is Mumbai network. So just simply claim Goerli tokens for the first time. And after 24 hours, you can also use Mumbai, which is for Polygon. And this way, you would be able to utilize both these chains on this particular project. Just simply click on this option of get tokens and click on get started. And you won't be able to see the USDC over here. So in order to add USDC, just simply click on add funds again. Then over here, right beside testnet USDC, you will be able to find the option of add to MetaMask. Just simply click on it and it will prompt you on MetaMask to add a token. Just click on add token. So this way, when you open your MetaMask again, you would be able to see your USDC here. So this is how you do it. Now just simply close it up, and after 24 hours it will be available again, and then just simply switch it to Mumbai and claim it. And for doing all these tasks, you will be able to get some NFTs, and when you click on this option of your inventory, basically my inventory, you will be able to get 2 different NFTs over here. So this is how it will appear. So this is the home page and all the different trending NFTs are listed over here, and when you scroll down, you will be able to find different featured lots. Lots are basically the NFTs, collection of NFTs. So on the left hand side panel, you will be able to find the option of explore. And here you can explore NFTs, tokens, and real world assets section is yet to come now. And you can just simply explore different NFTs to participate in the projects. And in case if you want to list your own NFTs, then just simply click on this option of create and create a lot of your NFTs. So this way you would be able to list your NFTs as well. Now for this airdrop, just simply click on this option of challenges, then click on the option of my challenges, and over here you will be able to find different challenges that you need to complete. And after completing these challenges, you will be able to earn some rewards, and according to the amount of reward points that you will accumulate over the period of this airdrop period, you would be able to get the airdrop. So the higher your reward points are, the higher your airdrop will be. This is how it will work. Make sure that you climb the leaderboards at least under the 10,000 rank, so it would be better for you to earn better rewards. And in order to update your profile, just simply click on this option of your rewards, and this is how it will appear. Now click on this option of linked accounts, and here you can connect your Twitter, Discord, and all of the socials. And also, if in case you want to get your address whitelisted, make sure that you connect your Discord and participate in their Discord in order to get your address whitelisted. And these whitelisted addresses will get benefited in future. In case this project comes up with ICO or IDO, then people with whitelisted addresses will be given the preference. And it's completely up to you if you want to get your address whitelisted or not. Just complete the challenges in order to earn these points. So this was all about this airdrop, and I hope you get lucky with this airdrop. And you can find all the links in the description below. And if you want to see more such videos, just simply hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and also like this video. See you in the next video. And for doing all these tasks, you will be able to get some NFTs. And when you click on this option of your inventory, basically my inventory, you will be able to get 2 different NFTs over here. So this is how it will appear.